of the undercarriage represents up to 50% of the owning and operating costs of a machine. The Cat Track Wear Sensor is a revolutionary system exclusive to Cat undercarriage. This proprietary innovation remotely monitors your track link wear to better predict overall undercarriage wear, making it more convenient to schedule track replacements, help reduce downtime, and avoid job interruptions. The Cat Track Wear Sensor is installed in the track link. As the link is worn down, the sensor monitors the amount of wear. The sensor will transmit key data through telematics to you and your cat dealer. When the amount of link wear reaches critical wear milestones of 40, 70, and 100%. Your cat dealer will then reach out to you to provide the appropriate maintenance needed for the machine, such as turning the bushing to help optimize life or to replace the undercarriage when it's nearing wear out. The Cat Track Wear Sensor helps you to plan your job site needs. Knowing when to plan downtime, plan the expense of a maintenance event, or an undercarriage replacement will help to avoid job interruptions. It enables your cat dealer to better understand the wear life of your undercarriage and provide the right service at the right time to help optimize owning and operating costs. Cat Track Wear Sensor is changing the game for how you do the work. Cat Track Wear Sensor is available on certain new machines and can be retrofitted to certain existing machines. Contact your local cat dealer for more information.